It's too small. So you have to, like you said before, you have to move the whole picture this side. Yeah.
I'll put that over there.
And put it over there.
See it? This is mine.
No, it's not yours. You can hold it. You can show it. Guys, you want to help me?
Yeah. Now I want to cut it out. I'll cut it.
Wait, you can put it in the mouth. So we got two t-shirts.
Remember ours?
Yeah.
Yours. This is a mouse.
Now listen. So this is we got the two. We got so this is heat pressure paper.
What's that?
It's you know that they always this stuff here. Yeah, we can do that now with this.
Oh, so
This
with the
item.
t-shirts.
Yeah, but you can choose your own t-shirt. You can buy another t-shirt on Amazon or eBay. But the thing is, the way you do it, this is the machine. But we're gonna put everything together, and then you can make your own t-shirt. You can make your own cup here like this.
You can see?
You wanna show this? Who wanna show this to the camera? Yeah.
And I will show them
Yeah.
these.
What's that?
Football training.
Not football training. Not football training. So this is the heat paper.
Huh?
That is like a supplementing paper. And then I buy another one. It's a transfer paper. So we got. Don't do that. So we got like two ways to do that because I just want to try this thing. Can you? Just want to try this thing first. So about two options. So we can try this one with. But this one is supposed to be venue, please. With this one, this paper, this transfer paper, we're supposed to use it with the black t-shirt with the beside white. This one. Yeah. Right. So we got what's in the box. So we got two t-shirts.
And it says with your book.
And this one
Is
non-stick heat pressing. So when you're gonna use the machine, if you wanna
put it together.
put them together. That's right. Obviously, that's the first thing we have to do is put them together. Yeah. So we put them together and everything, and then
And then
like,
put them in together.
yeah, that's right. So we do this one first. This one for the cover. So it's like
It looks like
anti-sticky.
Look at it.
So when you use that one, everything when you press it and then obviously we will see when
Yeah,
we will
just
see when we
make it
use it. Now we just want to unbox this thing, and then we prepare this place already.
And then we can make a new house.
No, we're not making new house.
Yeah.
Right, you guys want to help me unbox this thing?
Okay.
Wait, slow down, you need to slow down, buddy. Put this one out first.
And then I'm taking this one out.
Put them on the side. Oh, wait, don't put them on the side, right? Put everything on the side first. Benno, don't make a mess, Benno, please. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. I don't know which one I have. No, don't take it back out.
No.
There's too many stuff here, so we have Just do the cleaner a bit so it's not. Put this in there. We got another part here. This is the second part. This
I want to
is
play with this like tomorrow, but we don't going to play with that. We don't going to play with that phone thing.
right. No, it's no. Don't play here. You play with this thing. It's gonna be messy. Mommy just clean everything.
No,
This one heavy.
No, pick that one.
Right. Let's see. Got anything else in the boxes?
No.
Ben, move Ben. Got nothing.
Now we're just going to play with these.
It's like snow in it.
Yeah. I can make snow. I make the snow. No, but
Wait.
leave it just in case we
So we're
need
gonna
it.
put this one back. Now we have to take the boxes, take the rubbish out first, and then we can have more space. So we can have more space, and then Benu, stop na Benu. So we can have more space, and then we can adjust every single item.
I can pick it up. You see? No, put it down.
We just need to try this one in here if we got enough space or not. It might be too big. I think. Yeah, it's a bit big. That will do. Yeah. This is enough anymore. Yeah. Right. Good enough. Ben, wait, Benu. Take the back out. Okay. Let me see.
Let's try to.
No, I'm not trying yet. So test this thing.
I'm testing it. I just want to test it.
Well, what you got in the bag? Let's have in the bag. Alright, now this is it's too small. It's too small. So you have to, like you said before, you have to move above picture to this side, yeah,
And put that over
and
there.
then put it over there. You're gonna use that table. So you're gonna have to move that move above picture on here first. But you have to be careful. No, when you hold it, hold it. Not yet, Mom, not yet. You have to put this one first. Put this cover first. Right, you need to move our picture here.
Wait.
Okay, now. Pass me over.
Mama, oh. It's too
Pass to me.
bad. And I got new one. Papa!
Wait. Give everything. Give me everything.
Be careful.
We'll see you.
Be careful. Papa, here.
Oh, can't use this anymore. Oh yeah.
Still fit, Papa.
There we got enough space.
I'll get this too. Okay. There. It's so cold.
How about this?
Wait, now you need to move that one as well. So this one is supposed to
No,
be.
that's gonna be good.
This one maybe you have just to put on the top of the printer. Okay. Nice letter, ma. Tak pada sisi foto. Takut dia.
Mom, that's not. Mom,
Wait. Move. Bring all this. No. Let's take this.
I just want to keep it all in my base.
Okay. I need the chair. Can somebody get the chair?
When you chill, I'll do it.
Hold this.
Okay.
Take a.
Jesus.
Take this. Hold this. Can move it.
No, I want to.
No, we.
It's cool. What?
Let's try.
What am I doing? Let's check. It's Karuna. Now let's check.
I'm sleepy.
Put that for you.
Put this back, please. Don't play with
Can I
this.
turn it?
Don't play with this.
I want to.
Try that one.
Marunong man na sila.
That way. No. Yeah, I think it's enough. What's wrong?
We just got stuck. This is
Lift that file. Inflows forward, speed forward. We'll put it on.
8 cans. There's only the red ones. There's only the red Haribo ones. There's no strawberry ones. There's no other ones. That one's finished. These are finished. Stop whipping that! Stop whipping! Nice! Ass ketchup and Pokemon! Gotta catch them all! Where are you eating? Where are you eating? Oh, wait. What's my hoodie? Guys!
Oh, menu. Come here.
How about that?
That one.
How about this?
This one. I buy like eight small one. That means this thing you can use them for keys, for cup.
So you can make your own keys?
Yeah, to make your own keys. Not make your own keys.
Oh, yeah,
You can decorate and you can design things and then fixture or whatever.